Going on, my people? Today we're gonna be working on this Cadillac ATS 2014. The rear end I got hit a couple weeks ago. Today we're gonna be disassembling. We're gonna learn as we go. Train, panic, nothing like that. I do it the cheap way. I already got the parts in. Let's see how it goes. First, I gotta charge it up. It's dead right now. Ain't moving. Jump it first. The other car. And we're gonna get this fixed. I'm gonna show y'all the damage that was caused to it. And let's get it. So we're gonna be changing the headlight and the tail light. We're gonna be doing the bumper. We're gonna switch it out. And we're gonna take this off, put it on the new bumper. See? Hit my baby. Get rid of this. Take out all the sensors. We are gonna be switching these out too. This one's broken, so I bought some new ones. Yeah, man. Let's see, see how this goes. Don't know what I'm doing, but hey, we're gonna try it. We're gonna get into it. I'll see how it goes. If it goes good, if it goes bad. Hopefully it goes good. I'm show you the tools that I'm gonna use. Everything I have is pretty cheap. I buy from Walmart or Amazon. And all my parts I buy them from eBay. I will show you those. Show you the prices of what I spent for us to fix that. Now we're gonna start disassembling. So this is a new tail light right here. Look at it. Nice. Real nice. I believe I paid like 70 for this one on eBay. Brand new, as y'all could see. This has those lights that go at the bottom. I decided to switch it up a little bit. Yeah, make it look a little nicer. Since we are gonna be getting in there, so might as well switch it up. Look a little better, a little nicer, a little cooler. We're gonna have to be wiring 3 wires. See how that goes. And the bumper, I have to go get it. And this new bumper right here. Look at it. Good, looking good. I believe I paid like 250. So now it's up to install it. Oh yeah, I see it doesn't have the trims like this one and the bottom of it, but I will be removing all of this, to put it in the new one. Make it look good. I am thinking about painting that bottom piece black, but I'm not sure yet. We'll see once we take it off. We'll do all that. See how that goes first. Yeah. Give me some time to think about painting that. Right now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna jump start the car so I can move it right here in the center, work a little better. Let me get that started. Now what we're gonna start with, we're gonna start taking stuff apart. The fun, I guess. So let's see, I believe, yeah, I don't know, but I'm just going into it. I believe to take those, we have to take off each side. And then we go to the bottom of the car. These bolts right here. Then we gotta take off. It's one here. Where they go? One here, and then there's 3 back here. And the same thing on the other side. I believe it's clip on it. It looks clip on. We're gonna use a 7mm. Little wrench. Stick this one in there. You know. See, so I got these. I don't remember where I bought these from. I think they were like $5. I got a rag. So put the rag on top. Scratch the car. Or you can just put it. Pop the trunk. Just keep pulling. Secure here for a little bit. While I do this, we tested the light and it's working. We go ahead and tighten that up. Put the trunk back together. We're done with that. Should look good. Should look good. Now we're gonna start taking apart the bumper. Oh, let me inspect it, see what we see. Okay. 932. It's gonna be, I only see 2 of them. Two Phillips screws. Now I gotta take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 of these. Okay, guys. So yesterday got late on me and I ran out of stuff. Let's drop them. And I ran out of storage. The phone, but yesterday I ended up painting this. Made it black. Looks nice. It's good. Today what we're gonna be working on is putting all the bumper back together. So this is the paint that I use. I bought it at AutoZone for about $14, I think. Right now we're gonna get started on putting all the pieces of the bumper back together so we can slap that bumper back in. Get this thing back together. Hopefully I remember how to put this back on. Put a couple clips in for now. At least one to keep it in place. This is the hardest one right here. So you gotta try to line up. Once you get that one in, should be pretty good to go. So it's in. As long as you get this one in, this one in, be good to go. There's a Philip. I believe it goes here to the light that goes there. Since I might change them, I don't know yet. I'm scared. It's like now. Actually looks nice with the black. Basically it's ready. This is the lights that I got, but still not sure. That's what scares me. Let me see how it fits in there. How it fits. Try to unhook it from here. Take this whole piece off. Okay. Hopefully everything goes good. And now, I'll test it out. And only do this if you feel comfortable with it. If you don't do it. I'm not too comfortable with it. Let's take a risk. I think I'm gonna go ahead and splice this too. I believe it. This hooks up to here, and if anything, this is what'll take the damage. I believe, not an expert. Let's do it, guys. It goes nuts. Hook it up, but I'm not let these two come in contact together. So I'm gonna make sure all this is connected right. Hook it all together. Basically, all you're gonna do is splice. The one that goes on the right side, and the other one you're gonna splice it on the right side. It's working. I'm gonna get back at y'all when I got everything hooked up. So this is how I wired it. Taped all of it. I used the little connections in each connection, and I taped everything up. Tested and it worked. I didn't record it because I don't have a lot of memory. So I'm trying to be as quick as possible and put all this together. Okay, bumper's ready to get put on. It's all together. See it. Wasn't able to record it. I don't have a lot of storage. Now we're gonna install it. See how this goes. Hope for the best. Spanking. There is 2 screws, well, one on each side. It goes right in here. It's just kind of hand tightened in there. It's kind of hard to get in there. So 7mm. Put these in. I'll be right back. Tomorrow I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna recharge it. I'm gonna show y'all the lights how they look. Now I'm tired and I'm ready to go out. I'm ready to clock out. I appreciate you for watching, y'all. See you on the next one.